Hi students, the previous classes we have learned the refraction of light and how does the spherical lenses refract the light and how does the image is formed by the lens. And today in this video we are going to discuss the refraction of light through a glass prism. Then in previous class we have learned that the light refracts through a glass slab. The incident ray and the emergent ray, they are parallel each other but slightly displaced laterally. When a light passes from an optical rarer medium to an optical denser medium, definitely the light will refract and the refracted ray will move towards normal. When the light enters from a optically denser medium to an optical rarer medium, then the refracted light moves away from the normal. Then the rarer medium, denser medium, we have already learned. Denser medium, that means the density of the medium is large, and rarer medium, the optical density of the medium is less. And in both medium, the light can refract when it passes from the interface of one to another. We are going to discuss the refraction of light through a glass prism. Then what do you mean by a glass prism? A glass prism consists of two triangular bases and three rectangular faces, lateral faces. The angle between two lateral faces is called the angle of prism. Since it is a glass medium, so the density of the glass and the density of the medium around it will be different. When we consider a ray of light that is entering from the optically rarer medium, that is from the air, to the glass prism, where the density of the glass prism is higher than the density of the air. As you know that the light passes from one optically rarer medium to an optical denser medium, definitely the light will refract. And the refraction, we can see that here PQ is the incident ray, QR is the refracted ray, and RS is the emergent ray. And when we trace the direction of the incident ray and the direction of the emergent ray, and the point where these two intersect each other, if you trace the actual direction of the incident ray, then again if you trace the direction of the emergent ray in backward direction, there is a point where these two rays intersect each other, and where you can find the angle between these two is called as the angle of deviation of a prism. You might have observed the rainbow. Rainbow is formed commonly after the rain, and the suspended water molecules present in the atmosphere disperse the white light into a band of 7 colors, and this dispersion or splitting of white light into band of a 7 color is known as the dispersion of light. And this can be, in order to explain the formation of rainbow, and we must go back to the refraction of light through the prism. And the prism probably has split the light into a band of various colors. And the splitting of white light, not just a simple splitting, but they are splitting on the basis of their wavelength. The band of 7 colors is called the spectrum. And the white light split into band of 7 colors, and they are split into on the basis of their wavelength. Isaac Newton tried to split the white light into various colors, and he ended with the result of dispersion of white light. He tried to split the light or the colors further with the help of another prism, but the light did not split anymore, and he tried again by inverting the prism, the second prism, and he found that the band of colors split by the dispersion phenomena, then they convert into a white light as they passes through the second prism. So, when a prism split the white light into band of 7 colors called spectrum, and another prism, a combination of 2 prisms, will retain the white light again. And come back to the formation of rainbow. As I said before, a rainbow formed commonly after a rain when there is a sunlight, and the rain may left few water molecules, suspended water molecule in the atmosphere. When the sunlight falls on these suspended water molecules in the atmosphere, and they disperse the light into a band of 7 colors, and results the formation of rainbow in the atmosphere. A rainbow is always formed against the sunlight, and each water molecules or each water droplets act as a single prism, so that they refract the light and they split the white light into a band of 7 colors or a spectrum.